resell for no Yeezy slides. But the colorway, I had to do it, man. I just had to do it. Back to the big room. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today, we are not reviewing streetwear. We're not reviewing a mystery box. We're not reviewing a sneaker. We are actually reviewing Yeezy slides. And I've been unfortunate. I couldn't get no colorway for retail. And I kept telling myself, if I can't get it for retail, I ain't buying it, man. No way a $60, $50, $40 item should be reselling for $200. But it's Yeezy. And this colorway here got me, man. So today we're reviewing the Yeezy slides in the orange colorway. It wasn't really that I was just unlucky. I really wasn't doing my due diligence in trying to get the slides. I might have entered one or two raffles, Adidas confirmed, because I didn't think that it would have been this hard, man. But let's get into the review. Yeezy slides. Boom. So I like this. I mean, same brown Yeezy box that we always get, but it says slide on it, and it's a little smaller. I like that, man. Shout out to Adidas and Yeezy for that. Same pull-out function. And bam. Here go your Yeezy slide. For some reason on other people's feet, they look huge, man. This is a size 10. As you guys know, I wear 10 or 10 and a half. So on slides, I just went with the 10. And they look small in hand, man. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comment section below how it looks. But it looks small in my hand, you know, seeing it eye to eye. So yeah, I guess it should sport the boost technology. They're super, super soft. Super soft, man. So I know they're comfortable. They have a rubbery look, but it's more of a soft rubber here. Down here you have your spikes. Should be easier to walk. Adidas logo. Nothing on the, no Adidas logo on the bottom, no Yeezy signs, anything, but you know they're Yeezy slides. And when it comes to slides, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a fan. I often have too many. Right here, these are the Scarface joints. Nike baited me into getting these. Y'all know I'm a big Scarface fan. If you look at my last video, I think that's Marvin the Martian versus Bugs Bunny. I got on a Supreme Scarface shirt. I'm a big Scarface fan, so I had to get these. I think I wore these once or twice. These are the Scarface joints. If you're familiar, you know. These right here is the Adidas custom joints. They actually gave this to me for my birthday maybe 3 years ago. And when I customized them, I messed up. But as you can see, it reads "Get Rich" because that's here on the other side of the camera. But I messed up, and it actually says "Rich Get." As y'all know, at the end of all my videos, I tell you I get rich. Look at this. Get Rich Adidas slides custom. Now these are nowhere near as comfortable as the Yeezy slides. But the material, this leather, this is real material, man. But these are definitely hard. And if you wear them without socks, it do hurt a little bit. These right here is the Stushy Nike slides. And I don't know, man. I brought these because they're lime green. And that's the same color as my Jeep Wrangler. But as you can see, I still ain't put these on, man. Granted, I ain't been nowhere like beach-wise for the summer. So They still might go on. If you got one Nike slide, then you got them all. You already know the comfort is but you know the material's quality. This is not going to rip off. The quality's there. Again, these are the Stushy Slide Nike collab joints. Still DS. These right here is my favorites, man. I wore these a whole bunch of times. I know y'all looking and saying it's just a white Nike slide, which as you can see, I put it in the Laker colors, yellow, purple. But these are my favorite because these can match with whatever shorts I got on as the swoosh comes off. And then you can put any colorway you want on the slide. So that's why these are my favorites. I usually keep the Laker colors on here because I usually got on some Laker shorts. I own like 19 pairs of Laker shorts. Yellow, purple, purple, yellow, white, purple. Y'all get it. So these are my favorite. And last but not least is the Gucci slide. Now, far as comfort, I think these Gucci slides can head up with the Adidas Yeezy slides. And the reason is the Gucci slide has a groove right here. And these grooves right here make your feet feel more secure. As the Yeezy slides, which with every slide, it's not just a Yeezy thing. There's no grooves there. These grooves here make your feet feel more in place and more comfortable. My opinion. As far as price now, Gucci slides I think retail at like $200. Yeezy slides resell at $200. And that gets to what I paid for this in resale. On GOAT, I put $165. Someone take my money. And after about 3 weeks, someone took my money. If you look now, depending on sizing, I know between 10 and 12, you're looking at $190 to $240 for a Yeezy slide. Again, it's to each his own. I see a lot of people out right now, they wearing these like sneakers. They wearing slides like sneakers, period. So that might be something you want to do. I know me, as I showed you all them slides, I go a long time without even wearing them. So 200 was too steep for me. 165 I was still messed up with, but I was okay with. So that's what I paid for these. 165, guys. So yeah, this is a quick view of the Yeezy slide joints, man. I like them. I'm satisfied with them. We all know the Boost technology is out of control. Comfort. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody get rich. Or should I say, get rich.